What's going on? The winner of the 2020 Daytona wide body Hellcat just pulled up. Man, where you flying in from, man?
From Miami, Florida.
Miami, Florida. He like, man, I forgot your name on camera, man, but at least I won the Hellcat.
Oh yeah, that's the real deal right there.
That's not a Scat Pack, huh?
Nah.
Yeah, that's the Hellcat, huh?
Right now I got a 2020 Jetta. It's a manual.
You never been in a Hellcat before?
No, it's my first time.
Oh, this is about to be a movie for you, man. You about to have a ball on the way back. Anything after this point is on you, man. But yeah, man, you got the Miami Hellcat and it's going to Miami, man. Now, can you tell them who to subscribe to and all that, man?
Oh yeah, everything's ready.
Yeah. What's up, guys? Before we start this video, man, I just want to let you guys know, man, we still have our 2023 Ford F450 dually truck up for grabs, paired together with first place with my 2020 Reese's Pieces Road Glide. Not only that, man, we still have our 2020 C8 Corvette and our 2020 Road Glide that's going to be paired together with second place with that. Not only that, man, you guys know we got first and second place, but I beefed up first place with our 1987 Monte Carlo SS. So just to be clear, man, you guys not only get our 2023 Ford F450 dually truck, you get our 2020 Reese's Pieces Road Glide and our 1987 Monte Carlo SS, all for first place, man. Meanwhile, second place, you guys know we got our 2020 C8 Corvette and our 2020 Road Glide, man. We just gave away our 2020 wide body Hellcat, man. You guys gonna enjoy the video now. But if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, and even if you have, man, head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go get you either a hat or a sticker. Just by buying a hat, man, you get 500 entries today and today only. A sticker will get you 50 entries, man. The stickers is only $10. The hats is only $50, man. We only got one day of sale. We are going live with this thing August 11th, so make sure you guys tune in and get in before the date get here. We will be ending this giveaway on August 11th, man, so that's a Friday. You got 2 weeks to get in. Meanwhile, you got about 2 sale dates, so you got one next week and one after that. Saturday, August 12th, we will be going live giving away the whole Big Daddy giveaway. It will be coming to an end, man, and stay tuned for what's next to come. I can't wait. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go get you either a hat or a sticker. Just by buying a hat, you get 500 entries. Just by buying a sticker, you get 50 entries, man. Head on over to everythingregular.com right now, man. You guys know what time it is. It is a movie. Alrighty, guys, so next day here, man, as I step out into the driveway. Yes, it's bright. Yes, it's bright. Get the camera together. Get the camera together. Okay, it's together. I'm looking out and there's no Hellcat out here. That's because yesterday when we was messing with Mr. CJ on the freeway, man, we caught a flat tire, which I knew that tire was bad, but we actually really caught a flat and it wouldn't let us go anywhere. So had to park that thing up last night, had a tow truck come get it this morning, sent it to Chewy's also this morning, and he just hit me back saying it's ready. So I'm actually about to go pick that up. Meanwhile, the winner of the Hellcat is actually already out here, man. He just flew in today. So Kelvin, I'm about to go pick up your Hellcat. Then when we get back, man, we should be meeting you here, man. So I can't wait. Y'all see what time it is, man. It's time to go. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. Got this thing all freaking fixed up again, ready to go. Brand new tire. Hopefully, hopefully we good, man. We're gonna see what it is. We're gonna see what it is, man. Let's slide, though. Let's slide. I couldn't get it too clean, man. It freaking ended up going to the shop this morning, but we're gonna get you right, gang. And since this is like the last time I didn't like put it in track mode. Sounds so good. That's one thing I am gonna miss about this car. It sounds so lovely, dude. It sounds so lovely. You just downshift that thing. Oh, baby, talk to me. Oh, baby, talk to me nicely, why don't you? Thing sounds good. Thing sounds literally amazing. Alrighty, guys, so Kelvin is about 10 minutes or so out, man, and it is like literally, it says 97 degrees. It feels like 115 to be honest with you, man. It is so hot. So honestly, this one might be a little bit quick. Then again, who really knows? Likewise, he's about to pull up anyway, take delivery of his 2020 wide body Daytona and head on back to Miami. So I don't want to hold him for too long anyway, but you guys know what time it is, man. If you guys are just now tuning in, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. I definitely appreciate it, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, man, you guys know we still got the other stuff up for grabs right now, man. All you guys got to do is head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go get you either Everything Regular hat or a sticker. The hats are going to be starting to ship out within the next week to a week and a half, man. So y'all be patient. Y'all stay tuned. I definitely appreciate your support. Either way it goes, y'all know what time it is, man. Let's see if Kelvin going to pull up anytime soon now, shall we? Wow, he actually took a cab. Wow. That's gotta be him. But he actually took a cab. You know, we use Uber and Lyft so much, man, we never even see a cab or a taxi or anything like that anymore. Alrighty guys, let's see. Pulled up in that taxi. We're leaving in that freaking in that Hellcat. He pulled up in that taxi, leaving off in that Hellcat. Oh, pulled off in a taxi. My guy. Heck is up, man? How you doing? Man,
all right, man.
Another day in paradise. How you feeling, man?
Feeling all right, not too bad.
Hey, man, well, you see it here first, man. You see your joint, man. I couldn't tuck this one away in the garage or nothing like that, man. I had to get you right real nice in front of the parking lot, man. You see what's going on?
Yeah, I appreciate it, man. That thing is a beast.
Hey, man, well, y'all see what's going on. The winner of the 2020 Daytona wide body Hellcat just pulled up, man. Where you flying in from, man?
From Miami, Florida.
Miami, Florida. Ooh, hey, I'm trying to go back in a couple days, so I just might meet you there, man. I just might meet you there, man. Bet. So you know you got that Miami blue on this thing, right?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
You got that Miami blue on this thing. What's the weather like down there? Because I know it's burning up out here, man. It ain't nothing like this right now, I'm sure.
It's like 87 degrees right now.
87, yeah, it ain't. Y'all got us beat right now. Y'all feeling real nice and lovely under palm trees and all that, man.
Yep.
Bet, man. Well, shoot, let's take a walk around, man. Show whip, man. This is what you won, man. Tell them how much you put in for this, man.
Hey, man. What's it called? I went on the website.
Yeah.
Bought some merch. This is what I ended up with. So you know it's a real deal, guys.
Real deal, Holyfield. He like, man, I forgot your name on camera, man, but at least I won the Hellcat. You know, I wasn't gonna do you like that, man. Everybody was telling me to re-pick somebody else, man. But you know, I had to get you right just because you supported me, win or lose, man. So I definitely appreciate you, man. But this how you slide now, man. 2020 wide body Daytona on the 4G Auto. So yesterday, I took this thing out for a ride. So check me out. Yesterday, I took this thing out for a ride. You see, this tire's got a brand new tire on there. I was out and this thing freaking, it caught a flat, man. So you got some new rubber on here. It's brand new rubber really around the car, but you know, I've been having it sit and like they kind of dry rotted out a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
So this was the next one to go, but the back one was good. So both of the front ones, you A1. Meanwhile, shoot, I got the AC and everything running just because it's oh so hot out here, man. So a lot of people was asking me, they was like, when I was driving it right now, they was like, man, is it a scat pack or what? I was like, nah, man, it's not a scat pack. I had to pop the hood on them for a sec. So like, you gotta verify for me and to them that it's not a scat pack. So you let me know.
Oh yeah, that's the real deal right there.
That's not a scat pack, huh?
Nah.
Yeah, that's the Hellcat, huh?
That's the Hellcat for sure.
That's the Big Daddy right there. So bad. So let's hop in for a sec. You could actually hop in on the driver's seat. It's so hot out here. I was like, man, I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to do this video, man. I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to do this video. So bet at least we get to be under some AC, man. So what kind of car you got right now, man?
Right now I got a 2020 Jetta. It's a manual. I like manual.
You got a stick shift.
Yep.
Oh damn. So what made you get a freaking stick shift, man?
I've always wanted a stick shift.
Yeah, you like the Jettas or what? Or that's just what you could get at the time?
That's just what I could get at the time.
So what's your dream car, man?
My dream car?
It don't gotta be this. You don't have to say this.
It's a Nissan GTR.
A GTR?
Yeah.
Damn. So you about to trade this in for a GTR or what?
No.
No, you're not gonna trade this one in?
No, I'm gonna keep this.
Yeah.
If I gotta rebuild the engine, I'll do it. But no, this shit's gonna stay in my garage.
Okay, bet, man. So you ever been in a Hellcat before?
No.
You never been in a Hellcat before?
No, first time.
Oh, this is about to be a movie for you, man. You about to have a ball on the way back. Okay, bet. So before we get started, man, you know, this ain't just no ordinary Hellcat, man.
Oh, yeah.
Limited edition, number 499 is actually numbered. So literally, you got the only one in the world now. You got it. I had it now, but now I'm passing it on to you, man. So you got to take the torch and keep that thing lit. You feel me?
Yep.
So I'm sure you're gonna be able to experience all this stuff on your own, but a quick little rundown, man, for us. I'm sure, how old are you, man?
Oh, 25.
25, got a Hellcat. Now you own, look, check you out. SRT button, that's the first thing I hit when I usually get in the car. Usually it'll probably be like on that, but boom, let's just say it's not. Boom, SRT screen. You got all these modes up here. I'm sure you like did your research, was like, man, I got a Hellcat.
Yep.
Let me YouTube everything. So I'm sure you did this, but that's what I like to ride in, man. And then after that, it's just pretty much balls to the wall. You got 700 horses under your foot, going crazy. See, look, you got batteries right there. See, look, they already looking your way, man. That's how you feeling?
Yep.
So you like the wheels on this thing or what?
Oh,
man?
yeah, I love the wheels.
Yeah, you're not gonna change it out?
No.
Nah?
No,
Okay, bet.
like that.
Good, because I ain't gonna hold you. The rose gold on here literally just stands out so much,
yeah,
man.
it does. Yep.
We want to swing this thing around a block real quick?
Oh,
or
yeah.
you want to take it on the first ride on your own? I'll let you take the first ride on your own, because I ain't gonna hold you. It's hot either way. I'm not tripping.
Yeah.
I'll let you take it on your own, man. It's all good. I'll let you experience that first drive on your own, man. But I ain't gonna hold you. Nah, we gotta at least take it to the block, to the end of the block, man. Let me get my keys real quick. All right, man. I just got a haircut and stuff. It's pretty hot, man. But we gonna get this show on the road. Y'all thought I was just gonna let him go without a first drive and all that, man? Y'all thought I was gonna let him go without a first drive. It's time to slide, man. Y'all thought I was gonna let him go without a first drive, man. Let's get on up out of here, man. Let's see what we can do. If we can skip to my loop and get something going, man. I can't wait. I can't wait, boss. All right, man. Y'all wish me luck, man. First time ever in the Hellcat. It's about to be a movie. All right, man. So my food should be here in a hot sec, man. My food should be in a hot sec. All right, man. So anything after this point is on you, man. All right, bet. So we can go straight.
Right.
So we in track mode. It's gonna do whatever you want it to do. If you want to hit that sucker or whatever you want, you know, you got the sunroof and everything up in here, all the above, man. So it's your world. At this corner up here, we're gonna take a left, and then we're gonna make a right at the first one. You can literally just, it's a straightaway, or at least somewhat of a straightaway. It kind of got a curve to it. You know, I'll let you be the judge.
So left right here?
Yeah, make a left right here and then a quick right. So you play car games and stuff, man? You familiar with getting like sideways and all that, or you just drive regular for the most part?
I mean, I drive.
I don't be wanting to put people in a position they ain't used to, man.
Yeah, because my car is front wheel drive, so.
Oh, okay, yeah. You ain't
rear
really used to that just yet,
yeah,
huh? No. Okay, well, if you want to hit it a little bit, you can hit it right here. We going up here or wherever you want to go. You can just at least feel it a little bit. You feel that supercharger kicking in? Look, you see that smile on his face kicked in fast, huh? Look, that's funny. And then, you know, you can play with the paddle shifters over there.
Oh, yeah, okay.
You feel me? You hit this over here, slide that to the left. Now you click down a couple times, and we gonna bust a U right here. I don't want to go too far. You know, the police is really hot on this car in this area, man. So, but if you do hit the gas right here, you might be able to spin it. But I don't want to put you in that predicament because you got a long way to go.
Yeah.
But you can hit this bitch and then just gas it if you want. Yeah, you gonna have to two-wheel this sucker, man. It ain't one of them. It is, but it ain't. You gotta get used to it.
Yeah.
You gotta get used to it. There's a lot of power to get used to. I ain't gonna hold you. Definitely like my favorite car, though. Definitely like my favorite car, man.
Oh, yeah, this thing kicks.
See, I don't want you to do too much because you got a long drive. You said how long your drive is?
17 hours.
17 hours, man. Well, at least you got a quick little action or something. You know, you can downshift, all that, do all that on your own time, man. At least when you get back, you'll be closer to home, so you'll be able to do exactly what you want to do. But yeah, if we just bust a left right here, we'll be good, and my boy pulling up. But yeah, man, how you feel right now, man?
Oh man, I'm excited.
You excited?
Yep. I'm ready for them 17
Your homie's gonna be excited too?
Oh yeah, yep.
You told him already they pumped up or what?
Yeah, one of my boys, he has a scat pack.
Oh, he got a scat.
Yeah.
Tell him, man, you got a Hellcat now, man. Tell him he gotta step it up a little bit.
Yep.
Yeah, no, it's all good, man. Y'all see what's going on. We in at $499, a 501. Ain't gonna hold you. When you get used to this thing, you have some fun. I would take you on a drive and let me drive it, but I don't really want to do that to you right now, man.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I want to mess with the tires too much.
Yeah. No, I'm like, I just got some new ones for you, man. You should be all right. So you pretty good to go. That little piece right there, I had the fucking piece back here.
Oh, okay, cool.
However, I don't know if they sent the wrong one or is this because this is the fucking Daytona, it might be different. This was the one I bought for it, but it wasn't the right one. My buddy has one out here. If you want to stop by his shop and see if he's still got it before you go, then great. If not, I'm sure you can order your own.
Okay, yeah.
If not, like at the end of the day, you got a fucking Hellcat. So it's your world now, man. It's your world now, man. Let's see what we got though, man. He's sitting on them 4Gs with the oohs and the ahs. And then I got another key for you too in the house. But yeah, man, you got the Miami Hellcat and it's going to Miami, man. Yeah, man. Now can you tell them who to subscribe to and all that, man?
Oh yeah, everything's real. It's the real deal.
He said it's the real deal Holyfield, man. I didn't think it was real when I won, but it's feeling a little bit realer now, huh? Hey man, well y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all know what time it is. My guy is out here sliding on his way back to Miami. 17 hours to go. Got the things on the things, man. Hey man, I appreciate you, man.
Hey, appreciate it, man.
You already know what time it is. So y'all, if y'all see him sliding on the freeway, man, just throw him up the deuces, man. Make sure he cool. And before you go, you know you gotta come check out the whips, man. So you seen the other stuff that we giving away? So which one is your favorite so far right now, man?
Man, I like the truck. Man.
You like the truck? I like the truck, man. But let's see what's up in the garage. You say you ride motorcycles and stuff, huh?
Yeah,
Oh, you say you the speed and he got the R6. Okay. Let's see what we got, man. You know, we got Harleys over here, man. I would have blessed you with a Harley, but I don't know if you ready for that lifestyle just yet, man. I don't know if you ready, man. So bet. You seen what these things look like on YouTube, man.
Yeah.
You heard them on YouTube, but you ain't heard it in person yet, man. So I gotta at least let you hear the one with the oohs and ahs. It's going with the truck. So if you win a truck, you just might win this too. Well, you will win this too. Let's check it out. Don't sound like no R6. That's the Big Daddy right there, man. Big Daddy. Everything else is cool, but that's like the real Big Daddy, man. What you think about the MC, man?
Oh yeah, Monte Carlo.
Or that's not really your style just yet, man?
Nah, I do like it. That's my style.
It's cool?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, it's real nice.
Okay, man. Well, shoot, man. Y'all see what's going on? I got my guy Kelvin out here and under these Houston skies, man, picking up his Miami Hellcat, man. So y'all know what time it is. He said he up for the truck next, man. So if y'all haven't entered in for a chance to win, man, you better let them know. Go enter in because it is real, huh?
Hey, yeah, go support, man. Hit that like, subscribe to Everything's Regular.
That part, man.
Hey, A2's the real deal, man.
Come on, man. It's a movie. Y'all know what time it is, man. He out here. It could be you. That's the thing. It could be you, man. Well, shoot, y'all see him out here, man. We about to get this thing situated. Man, well, shoot, you got your Hellcat now. You slide and glide, man. The other key is in a cup holder. Let me get my keys out your car. How about that? The other key right here. All right, man. Be safe out there, bro.
Man,
you know they be trying to take these things every opportunity they get.
Yeah.
So make sure you put some insurance on it fast.
Okay.
All right, gang.
All right, man.
Y'all see it here first, man. It is out of here. It is out of here. Gone. Ooh, Big Daddy. That's crazy. Oh, man.